It was a dedicated best leadership na your friend and I'm no, I was a dear to Nazania Befiti, my dear Seno. But you are much more, we are almost waiting me. I can't want me. I been to only a best I'm an editor.
Nedika ye bet swear the oath, official oath. Na nedidi so no so abaso. Cho say me bow din no a because I na mudumudi ahyem na me atua no so maka. So we take the official oath. I and a member of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs do in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Ghana in the office of a member of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, and that I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana as by law established. So help me God. We will then take the judicial oath. I, and member of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, solemnly declare that I will well and truly exercise the judicial functions entrusted to me, and will do right to all manner of people and in accordance with the laws and usages of Ghana, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God. We will lastly take the oath of secrecy. I, and member of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, do solemnly swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as may be required for the discharge of my official duties, or as may be specifically permitted by law. So help me God. Thank you. To watch and patch up me here.